Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing Saint Pair stories, we have so many characters left. This is Phoebe. Let's do a day with Phoebe first just to refresh everyone. We'll just pick one option, first option, and then we'll move to Dusclops evolution to Dust Noir. Noir, whatever, however you pronounce that. It's tanky, made even tankier. Right next to me? I think it's behind. But it's okay. Just the first option now.
Oh, darn.
Scary.
Yep.
Absorbs wandering spirits. Oh my goodness, scary.
Yep. Hang in there.
And with that said, we are done with our day with Phoebe. Time to evolve Dusclops, guys. Time to evolve. And what happened to my internet connection? I cannot press OK. There you go. Internet kind of slowed down. What the heck happened? Guys, let me pause this until we can resume. Okay, guys, we are back. Dusclops evolution in 3, 2, 1. 5 evolution shards, not yet crystals. Go. Yes. Yes. And internet's still a bit on the slow side, but at least it's working. Come on. What is going on? What the heck, guys? Pause. Guys, I've just switched internet connections. Let's see how things go.
Excuse me. Yeah?
If I'm not mistaken, Phoebe, Agatha, and Acerola are sync team in the PML.
Let's get this started, shall we?
With that said, Dire hit all. Whoops, 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 whoops. Don't die, Agatha. Oh my goodness. Why did I use Shadow Punch again? Oh my goodness. Don't die. Oh frick! No 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 no. Let's repeat that. Uh-oh. I just hope that she didn't evolve. I really hope she didn't evolve, guys. If not, we didn't capture that. I really hope she didn't evolve. I mean, we haven't claimed the rewards yet, right? Please interrupt battle or something. I'm outside, the cars are kind of noisy. There you go, guys. I would not resume, thank you. Let me just repeat that. Internet slow. Let's repeat the battle, guys. Phoebe, not yet evolved. Dusclops evolution. Let's do it. Evolution shard times 5. Yes, yes. And Agatha, don't die. Come on, you cannot die on me. I know you want to cut your HP in half, but don't die, okay? Don't die. Let's skip this.
Let's get this started, shall we? Get ready.
Here we go.
Just one Shadow Punch.
Stay sharp.
Good.
Go.
Feel your strength.
Now don't die.
Leave it to me.
Feel your strength.
Now's my chance.
Ouch.
Here goes.
Go.
What the heck? Am I mistaken? Let's try and use... Oh my goodness.
Put your back into it.
I think I have to use Shadow Punch 2 times, guys.
Get ready. Put your back
Wake
into
up!
it.
Wake up! Wake up!
Put your back into it.
Now don't die, Agatha. Don't die.
Stay sharp.
Oh, frick. She died again. This is tough. How do I not let her die? How do I not let her die, guys? Why am I doing this? I just want to show you guys what Phoebe's sync move looks like before she evolves for one last time. Before Dusclops forever evolves into Dustnoir. And my internet is slow again. I'm so sorry about this. Quickly pausing this. Okay, guys, should be okay now. I'll wait for Agatha to use physical shield before I start attacking. And let me just skip this once again.
Let's get this started, shall we? Get ready.
Here we go.
Come on, use your physical shield.
Go.
I'll wait for you.
Leave it to me.
There you go.
Stay sharp.
There you go.
Now's my
Now,
chance.
perfect.
Stay sharp.
Put your back into it.
Feel my strength.
Go.
Feel my strength.
Put your back into it.
Here goes.
Get ready.
Sleeping Dusclops is so cute. Time to use Army Sync move, guys.
Put your back into
Hurry
it.
up.
Here we go.
Ghost Sync Impact. That was the name of our sync move before Dusclops evolves.
Oh my.
Thanks.
Don't let me down.
How do you even know if a Pokemon's about to evolve when they do animations like that only? Here we go, guys.
This makes me so happy.
Lonely Flower Shadow Punch. Let's try it right now, guys. So Ghost Sync Impact, was it? Or something. Ghost something. Now, Lonely Flower Shadow Punch. Much more personality there. Let's skip this conversation. Same technique. Wait until Agatha uses physical shield.
Let's get this started, shall we?
Just trying out the new sync move we have.
Get ready.
Here we go.
Go. Leave it to me. Now is my chance. Put your back into it. Put your back into it. Go.
Here goes.
Get ready.
Here we go, our turn. Our turn.
Go.
Here we go.
much, much, much more beautiful, guys. And that was it. That's the end of this video. We evolved Dusclops into Dust Noir. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Still lots of Sync Pair stories we'll do later on after my class and after I upload all these. My internet's not good right now. If I get home, I'll be able to finish uploading everything. That's all. See you later.